Welcome to the channel, friendos. So a slight departure from your usual content this week, but I wanted to talk about something that's on my mind.
Can you believe this guy?
I want to talk about nutrition. I'm admittedly a little bit of a health nut, but an optimistic one. I'm encouraged that there seems to be more discussion in the United States about citizens prioritizing diet and exercise. It's amazing. But I figure that it also means there are a lot of people out there who want to get in shape and get their hormones in order but may have no idea where to begin. If that describes you, then you probably know the basics. Get sunlight, take walks, sleep more, exercise, eat real fruits, vegetables, and meat, avoid processed foods and shit that's been altered with chemicals or pesticides. And while that is all great advice, how do you act on it? Maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle can still seem too time-consuming, expensive, or downright difficult to do. And so I want to share with you the one health hack that opened the door to my healthier lifestyle. One that made cooking healthy meals at home not just easier, but downright better than eating at any of my favorite restaurants. I am not here to talk about the problems in our food and health systems that perpetuate outcomes for the American people. I just want to share an option with you that I think can help you get started on your health journey and actually make you look forward to making dinner at home. I don't often see this emphasized, so I'm really happy to talk about why I think this solution works and how it can serve as step one to realizing all of your goals. So without further ado, the hack is make all of your sauces and dressings from scratch.
What the fuck?
This might not sound like much, but hear me out. So why sauces and dressings specifically? Well, first, even if you cook from home, I can imagine that you still use pre-made sauce and dressings. As humans, we are creatures of convenience, and it is so easy to just grab a jar of tomato sauce or a bottle of ranch dressing from the market and throw it on the table at dinner time. Second, pre-made dressings and sauces are fucking terrible for you. They are filled with preservatives and chemicals that give them longer shelf lives. Cheap seed oils that cause inflammation and destroy your hormonal balance. Crap like high fructose corn syrup or xanthan gum. They leave you unsatiated and can quickly turn a healthy dinner like chicken and vegetables into a complete disaster. Pause the video right now. Go into your fridge or pantry and pick up a store-bought sauce or dressing and just read the ingredients. How many are things you have never even heard of? Do you really want to put a chemical you can't even pronounce in your mouth? The third reason is good and healthy sauces and dressings let you achieve variety with simple, whole foods, so you can realistically stick to a clean diet. It will get you in the kitchen more and over time improve your cooking immensely.
Cooking is art, and the shit I cook is the bomb, so don't be telling me.
I cooked my own meals for years but did not realize the damage I was doing by adding a can of ragu to my ground turkey or drizzling yum yum sauce on my steak and rice. About 6 years ago, I made the commitment to just making these things at home with real ingredients, and it's opened my cooking up to a new level. Just think about how much easier it would be to enjoy a healthy chicken salad every night if you had a different delicious sauce to pair it with.
Look at it, doesn't that look delicious?
And the last reason is they are so easy to make, it's incredible once you realize it. Just make the promise to yourself that you'll never buy a bottle of prepackaged sauce or dressing again and you'll never look back. Let me walk you through a few examples of how you can do this with very few tools and very simple ingredients.
But first,
So if you want to do this right, you have to keep a few things in mind. Don't use seed or nut or soy oils. Always sub cold pressed extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil if you have to. Don't use sugar. Sub with organic honey or maple syrup for a sweetener. Avoid sour cream and use whole milk grass-fed plain Greek yogurt. It tastes even better and can be the base for so many sauces. If you're willing, make your own mayonnaise from scratch with olive oil, eggs, and vinegar. But if you have to buy it from a store, please make sure it doesn't have any harmful ingredients in it. Something like Primal Kitchen would work. Again, always read the ingredients label. Make sure you know exactly what everything is before you consume it. Always buy organic when you can. I know it can feel like a scam, but you will notice a difference once you start eating this way. Whenever you're at the store, just remind yourself that there are over 10,000 chemicals legal in the United States for treating food, when Europe only authorizes 400. Fresh herbs are cheap and vinegar is cheap. A little bit of olive oil goes a long way.
Just curious, does anybody know anything about cooking?
So now that you know the basics, let's just talk about some simple recipes. Imagine it's Monday night. You're tired, but you want to eat healthy. Skip the bag salad and buy your own greens, onions, tomatoes, carrots, and if you want, chickpeas, feta, apples, walnuts, and then make a balsamic dressing from scratch. It's just 2 parts olive oil, 1 part balsamic vinegar, squeeze of a lemon, minced garlic, honey, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard. That's it. Stir in a bowl and you are good. You see how easy it is? And you can adjust it to your taste and enjoy it way more than something you buy in a store. Sub out the balsamic vinegar for a red wine, champagne, raspberry, or white wine vinegar. Or add in exotic ingredients like tahini to have a completely different vinaigrette depending on what kind of salad you're eating. But maybe that's not your style and you like something like a wedge salad or chicken wings and you want a blue cheese dressing. Mix Greek yogurt, mayo, crumbled blue cheese, lemon juice, salt, pepper, parsley into a bowl and then cut it with grass-fed whole milk to make a dressing that tastes better than anything you would get in a restaurant. Caesar dressing can be made with olive oil, Dijon, Worcestershire, egg, anchovy paste, and Parmesan and garlic. Ranch can be made with Greek yogurt, Worcestershire, lemon, and herbs. I've even made a sweet poppy seed dressing with honey, apple cider vinegar, yogurt, and poppy seeds. If you're gonna eat a salad anyway, don't make it unhealthy. Make your dressings right and make your efforts count. Now let's talk about some easy sauces. Maybe you like Greek food and choose kebab for dinner. Tzatziki is so easy to whip up, it will blow your mind. Chop dill and cucumbers, add Greek yogurt, olive oil, garlic, salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice, and you're done. I love steak, and I love a good sauce on it. Sometimes I'll make a horseradish sauce with horseradish, Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. Or I'll make a chimichurri sauce with a shallot, olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon, garlic, oregano, basil, parsley, and red pepper flakes. And if I'm not feeling a sauce, mixing fresh garlic and herbs with grass-fed butter makes a perfect mate to my ribeye any day of the week. And I'm sure at some point you've probably resorted to an underwhelming tomato or marinara sauce for your homemade Italian dinners, when making a good tomato sauce could not be simpler. Simmer garlic and olive oil, add in fresh or canned organic tomatoes and herbs, salt, pepper, and stir while the sauce reduces. You can do it. I believe in you. I didn't put any measurements here because the joy of making sauces and dressings is you can always adjust to your personal taste. It's not baking and it doesn't need to be meticulously planned out. It's easy. You can do it in 4 minutes as your food gets ready to eat. The point of this video isn't to bombard you with recipes, but rather to show you that this is really doable and challenge you to start taking that little extra effort to enhance your home cooking. You'll save money and you will eat so much better. Once you do that, you'll realize how much better whole foods taste and more importantly, make you feel. And with all that improved feeling, exercise is gonna be a breeze. No matter what kind of sauce you like, I can guarantee you there's a recipe out there that only uses real and good ingredients. And with this trick, you can master home cooking and change your and your family's lives forever. Unlock clean eating by pairing whole foods with the right accompaniments. The variety is going to help you achieve all your health goals.
Bam!
All right, what's up?
What's going on?
Oh, well, I got into really good shape.
What's happening?
Why?
Why?
I know, I thought maybe we could use it.
Use it for what?
So please, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you have a great healthy sauce that you'd like to share, a fancy dressing, or if you'd just like to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.